During my Targeted Tuesdays video this week, I shared 10 great things about doTERRA's Clary Sage Essential Oil, and it included a few recipes. Today I'm going to actually share the ingredients of those recipes, and I'll provide links for you so that you can get to them. There's going to be 3 hair care ones, along with a great room spray and a fabulous raw vegan veggie dip recipe. Hi, Rosalie here. Welcome to Take On Thursdays, which is part of my Vision of Excellence daily series. The first recipe is for a hair heat protectant spray. You can shield your strands with this easy to make DIY spray that will have your hair feeling full and healthy. It contains doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil, sweet almond oil, our Salon Essentials smoothing conditioner, some water, and our clary sage essential oil along with our geranium essential oil. The recipe is quick and easy to make, and you'll be spraying it on your hair in no time. My second recipe today is for a herbal hairspray. It's easy with essential oils, and it only requires a few simple ingredients that you probably already have at home. This herbal hairspray can easily be customized to your preference by using your favorite essential oils and adjusting the recipe to create your preferred hold. It uses water, some sugar, geranium essential oil, as well as lavender, peppermint, rosemary, and of course, this week's oil of the week, clary sage. You can use more or less sugar depending on how strong you want the hold to be. No eating it. However, you know it's going to be safe if you do. You do have to bring it to a boil, some of the ingredients, and put in your essential oils at the end of it. And this is a great recipe. You can feel free to customize the essential oils to your preference, and you can use one or all of the oils that are in the recipe that I'm going to share with you. However, be careful using citrus oils as they can lighten your hair if exposed to UV light. My third and final hair-related recipe is for a deep hair conditioner. Is your hair feeling dry and or damaged? Millions of people can relate. Buying deep hair conditioning products or getting a conditioning treatment at a spa can be expensive, and most treatments contain unnatural ingredients. So this homemade deep hair conditioner is easy to make, and it will leave your hair feeling soft and smooth. It contains coconut oil, olive oil, and 8 drops of doTERRA's essential oils. Yes, certified pure therapeutic grade essential oils. And a few great ideas are, of course, clary sage, lavender, peppermint, rosemary, or geranium, or some of all of them. It's a really great recipe. And when you combine all the things together and whip it up together, it's going to help you make that great way to get that soothing hair conditioner in no time. My fourth recipe today is for the best essential oil room spray. Have you been looking for hope and harmony around your kitchen, your bedroom, your office, your family room, and or any other space you find yourself in? Well, with doTERRA's essential oils, you are just a spray away from your happy place. When you want to change your environment, infusing a new aroma in the room is one of the quickest ways to turn things around. Essential oils can help you to customize your atmosphere by bringing uplifting, calming, or energizing aromas into the room. And I covered a lot about aromatherapy in the last couple of days, so you might want to go back and watch those videos to get some more information on why the aroma is so powerful. So if you're looking to have that hope and harmony around these spaces in your home or office, here's a great recipe for a room spray. It's called Hope and Harmony. It includes distilled water, witch hazel, a spray bottle, bergamot essential oil, clary sage essential oil, and sandalwood. It's a great recipe and a great spray to have on hand throughout the day. My fifth and final recipe for today is a raw vegan veggie dip, and it's yummy and amazing. Great as a light snack or refreshing appetizer, this flavorful dip will stimulate your taste buds and leave you wanting more. There are plenty of essential oils that go into this recipe too, 5 to be exact. While the fresh version of each plant would be fine to use, and if you want to, in the case of rosemary and basil, that would add a nice little extra special touch to it. The essential oil versions are more concentrated and they add a much more powerful health benefit when taken internally. Of course, we're talking about doTERRA's essential oils, and here's a few examples. Oregano oil helps to maintain the health of your immune, respiratory, and digestive systems. Rosemary oil supports the healthy function of your internal organs. Clary sage is a soothing and relaxing oil and may synergistically help calm your nervous system. Fennel has been used to promote healthy digestion. Basil also supports gastrointestinal health and can lessen occasional anxious feelings. And all together, adding these ingredients along with some garbanzo beans, some juiced lemon, some spinach, some variety of mixed black, green, and Kalamata olives, some fresh basil, Italian parsley, rosemary, sprigs, some tomatoes, salt, little bit of cider vinegar, virgin olive oil, yellow squash, zucchini, small eggplant. You get the idea, right? Half a cup of almonds or pine nuts along with those 5 essential oils is going to make an amazing veggie dip, and I'm sure you're going to be excited to give that a try. So I can't wait to get you these recipes. They're all amazing, and it's just the tip of the iceberg of recipes for using clary sage. However, another time. Thanks for watching my video today, and if you like the ideas and want the recipes, make sure you click on the link or send me a message. Tomorrow is for Friday follow-ups, which is about wrapping up my week, wrapping up your week too, hopefully, answering your questions, giving out some free resources to assist you in your knowledge, and much more. I hope you are now ready to take on any day and have an amazing evening, and I hope to see you tomorrow.